welcome you in today's maths class. Dear students, today we are going to understand number concepts and we are going to focus on tens and ones. With the help of abacus and videos, data classes video, we are going to understand the concept of tens and ones very clearly. Okay, I hope you all are ready. Say yes ma'am or no. Are you ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. So, first of all, see what is the topic. Our topic is number concept and we are going to focus on tens and ones. Tens and ones. Okay? Tens and ones. So, see, I have an abacus in my hand. Okay, this is the topic. You can see the topic tens and ones. Now look at the abacus in my hand. मेरे पास एक abacus है. Yes, and I have a beads also. So as we have already discussed in previous class, yes, ones and tens. Yes, so I will put the numbers on the places and you will tell me what is the number. What number it is. So on ones place I have put 2 beads and in tens place I have put 3 beads. So tell me what is the number here? What number this abacus is showing? Yes, Arav Bansal, tell me. Arav Bansal, please on your mic and tell me the answer.
3 tens and 2 ones.
3 tens and 2 ones. So what is the number this abacus is showing?
32.
32. Very good. Good, good. Very good. So we can see these 2 sticks are representing 2 places, ones and tens. Ones and tens. So here we have 2 on ones place and 3 on tens place. So 3 tens means 30 and 2 ones means 2. So number will be same here at ones. Okay. So the answer is 32. Answer is 32. Okay. Next is, okay, let me show the next number. I'll show you next number. And you will tell me the right answer. Yes. So Upasana, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the abacus very carefully. Count both the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Beta, look at the number. Look at the abacus. Count the beads at ones place and tens place, and then tell me what is the number this abacus is showing.
3, 4, 5, 6.
1. No. Upasana. First we will count the beads given on tens place, and then we will count ones में कितना है?
4.
So how many here? 4. And how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5. 5 tens means 50. क्या बताया था बेटा मैम ने आपको? Yes, what I have told you. 5 tens means 50. 50 and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 54. 54. So this abacus is showing the number 54. Okay, Upasana. Okay, now again tell me what is the number here. Now tell me what is the number here, bete?
2.
2 and here?
4 tens.
Yes. So what is the complete number?
2, 1. 2, 1. 21.
121. 2 tens and 1 1. So right answer 23. Very good, Arav Bansal. Yes, now Harshit will tell me. Harshit, look
Yes, ma'am.
at the abacus very carefully and tell me which number this abacus is showing. Look here.
No.
Yes, Harshit, look carefully and tell me what number this abacus is showing. 23. What is the answer? बताइए. 23. Right answer is 23. Okay. Now, dear students, I will show you a video. Yes, and you will get clarity about this concept. Okay. So here we have a wonderful video. This is a Tata Classes video and you will find it very, very interesting. Okay. So are you ready for the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me show you the video about tens and ones. So I hope my screen is clear and visible to you. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am going to start it.
Hi, Jiggy. Aren't you ready yet? We have to get to Aisha's place.
Oh, I completely forgot about that. I was busy with this new abacus my dad got me.
Abacus. What is that?
Pasha, an abacus is a counting tool consisting of beads and a series of rods.
So dear students, you have
Counting
seen,
with rods and
I have already shown you the abacus. I have shown you the abacus. Yes, this is an abacus. It has a counting beads and the sticks. Yes, so same here you can see in the video.
beads. How is that possible?
Let me show you. You see, the rod on the right stands for ones or units, and the rod to its left represents tens. A bead represents a digit. To represent the number 1 on the abacus, we simply place a bead on the ones rod. To represent the number 2, 2 beads are placed. For the number 3, we place 3 beads. Likewise, beads are added to
number 1. If I remove it from this place and put it on tens place, then you can see now this abacus is showing number 10. Why? Because it is on tens place. 1, 10, and here we have 0, so it will not show any number, it will show only 0. 1, 10, it means only 10. We have 10. See the next.
Numbers 20, 30, 40 and so on till the number 90. We just add beads on the tens rod.
But Jiggy, what about a number like 24? How can we represent it on the abacus?
It's very simple. In the number 24, 2 is in the tens place. Hence, the place value of 2 is 20. And 4 being in the ones place has a place value equal to 4. Therefore, the number 24 can be expanded as 2 tens plus 4 ones or 20 plus 4.
Okay, so dear students, I hope you have understood till here. यहाँ तक आपको समझ आया है. If we want to represent the number 24, then how we will show the number 24 here on this abacus? So if I want to show the number 24, how many beads I will put on ones place? Ones place पर मैम कितने beads put करेंगे और tens place पर मैम कितने beads put करेंगे? Tell me. How many beads? Yes, Upasna, you will tell me. On tens place, how many beads I will put? Yes, Upasna. On tens place, 2. 1 and 2. Now tell me, how many beads I will put on ones place? 4. Very good. So this way we will show the different numbers on abacus. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have 2 tens, here we have 4 ones. 24. 2 tens is equal to 20 and 4 ones is equal to 4. 24. The number is 24. Okay. Let's see the video ahead.
Hence, on the abacus, to represent 2 tens, there should be 2 beads on the tens rod, and to represent 4 ones, there should be 4 beads on the ones rod. This is how we represent the number 24 on the abacus.
Wow, that was simple.
Well, Pasha, now that you know how to use the abacus, can you count these beads and tell me which number is represented here?
Okay, first you tell. You tell, dear students, look at the abacus in the video and tell me which number this abacus is showing. Moksh, count the beads on ones place and then count the beads on tens place and then tell me which number this abacus is showing, beta. Yes, Moksh.
53.
53. Very good. Good. Very good. Everyone, please clap for Moksh. Here we can see 5 tens. 5 on tens place. So the tens is showing number 50 and the ones place is showing number 3. The complete number is 53. Very good.
So the number has 3 ones. Simple. The number is 53.
Very good. So his number is also 53.
What happened, Jiggy? Did I get it wrong?
No, Pasha. You got it right. But I just remembered that Aisha is waiting for us. She must be getting impatient.
I forgot about that too. Hey, I have an idea. Let's take the abacus with us. I'm sure she will enjoy using it too.
Yes. So dear students, as you enjoy all the activities using abacus, with abacus, you do lots of number activities. In the same way, these children are enjoying the numbers and the making numbers with the help of abacus. Now I have one more thing for you, and you will tell me. Yes, here I have a worksheet and you will tell me the right answer. Okay, let's see the first abacus here and tell me which number this abacus is showing. Yes. Arav Yadav, keep your camera off. Yes. Dear students, tell me which number this abacus is showing. Yes, Arav Bansal, tell me, bete. Arav Bansal.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me which number this abacus is showing.
31.
31. Very good.
3 tens and 1 ones.
Very good. 3 tens and 1 ones. The answer is 31. The answer is 31. Let's see the next one. Okay. Here we have 4 beads on 10th place and no beads on 1's place. So, who will tell me which number this abacus is showing? Okay, who will tell me? Upasna?
4 tens, 0 ones.
So, what is the number here?
4040.
4040. Very good, my dear. Very good. Good. Very good for Arav. Good for Upasna. So, dear students, I hope you are clear about the concept of ones and tens. So, now I have few cards. I have few cards here, and you will tell me which number is at 1's place and which number is at 10's place. Here we have number 19. So you will tell me which number is at 10's place and which number is 1's place. बताइए मैम को. Yes. Now who will tell me? Moksh. Number 1 कौन से place पर है और number 9 कौन से place पर है? You will tell me.
Number 1 10. Number 9 ones.
Yes. 1, 9, 19. Yes. 1, 10 and 9 ones. 19. So the answer is 19. The answer is 19. This way we make the numbers. First we have understood through the abacus, through video, and now we understood how the numbers form. How the numbers form. किस तरह से number बनते हैं? किस तरह से number बनते हैं? Here we have next number. The number is 10. So, Jay, please tell me which number is at 10's place and which number is at 10's place.
10 1's place or 0 1's place.
1 10's place and 0 10's place. So, here we have number 10. 1 10 and 0 1. So, it will not be count. So, complete number is 10. Complete number is 10. So, I hope, dear students, you understood this concept. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Moksh, you will tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Arav Yadav? both the pages, page number 26 and 27, and then we will revise it tomorrow also. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the activity. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.